Yeah, man, let's go! No Pazzo! No Pazzo! No!
Alright guys, we have one final play to get a touchdown. We need to go for a Hail Mary. Nick, I'm gonna throw it to you. What? Why him?
Yeah, what? I suck.
Exactly. They won't think I'm gonna throw it to you. Can we count on you?
Yeah, you can count on me.
Hail Mary on 1. Ready, set, break.
Okay, Nick, you got this. All you need to do is break some ankles and go the length of the field. Oh my gosh, that's far. Okay, Nick, just relax.
You're gonna need an extra large t-shirt after I'm done with you, boy. I'm gonna be stuck on you like glue. You ain't getting past me, boy.
Oh yeah? Your mom.
Ready, set, hike!
Wait, I'm actually open. We're going to win. We're going to win.
Oh Lord, you got lit up! Oh no, Pazzo!
I think he's dead.
You guys want to get sushi?
I'm done. Let's go.
I need new friends.